29th one. If A and G, AM and GM respectively between two positive numbers, prove that the numbers are A plus or minus root of A plus G into A minus G. So given that A and G are arithmetic mean and geometric mean between two positive numbers. So let the two positive numbers be, let the positive numbers be A and B. Let the two positive numbers be A and B. So we have to prove that the numbers are these two, A plus that and A minus that. These are the two numbers. So we have to prove that this A and B are these numbers. So given that A and G arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So arithmetic mean of these numbers A and B is capital A. So given that A equal to A plus B by 2. We know the formula for arithmetic mean, A plus B by 2. So A plus B by 2 is given as A. Then geometric mean is G. And we know geometric mean formula is root of AB. So given that A plus B by 2 equal to A and root of AB equal to G. We have to find the numbers A and B. We have to prove that the numbers are these. So we have to find A and B. So using this we have to find A and B. So here using this first equation we can write therefore A plus B equal to 2 into capital A. Cross multiplying we get A plus B equal to 2 into capital A. And here G equal to root of AB. So squaring we get AB equal to G square. So G equal to root of AB, therefore AB equal to G square. So we got A plus B equal to 2A and AB equal to G square. We have studied if the zeros of a quadratic polynomial are A and B, then we know the how to write the polynomial x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. See, we have A plus B equal to 2A and AB equal to G square. So we can write the corresponding quadratic equation as x square minus, we know the formula, x square minus A plus B into x plus AB equal to 0. This is the corresponding quadratic equation. So here A plus B is 2A and AB equal to G square. So we can substitute that. So x square minus A plus B is 2A, 2AX, then plus AB, what is AB? G square equal to 0. So this is the corresponding quadratic equation. So if you solve this quadratic equation, we get A and B, the zeros or roots A and B we get. So the only thing is we want to solve this quadratic equation. So we can apply the quadratic formula. So x equal to, this is the formula, minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So this is the formula. So we can substitute. What is a? A means here this a, coefficient of x square. B is coefficient of x. And c is constant term. So we can apply and we can find the solution. X we can find it. That will be the answer. That will be the, here solutions are A and B. So we get the values of A and B. Solving this, applying this formula, we get A and B. So in this formula, substitute here in the place of A and B, substitute in the formula. So minus B, here what is B? Coefficient of x. So x equal to minus b minus, here coefficient of x minus 2a. So what is minus b? Positive 2a. Plus or minus root of b square, that is minus 2a whole square. B square minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into g square. Whole divided by 2 into 1, coefficient of x square 1, 2 into 1, 2. Now so find the solution. That will be A and B. So that is equal to 2a plus or minus root of minus 2a whole square, 4a square minus 4g square whole divided by 2. That is equal to 2a plus or minus. Inside the root, 4 is common factor. So a square minus g square whole divided by 2. That is equal to, when we take the inside the square root, 4, when we take it outside, that become 2, root of 4, that is 2. So we get this is equal to 2a plus or minus 2 into root of a square minus g square divided by 2. So this 4 we have taken outside, so square root of 4, 2. So that will be 2 here outside the root. So a square minus g square remaining inside the root. Now we can take 2 common factor from the numerator and we can cancel with the denominator. So that is equal to 2 into a plus or minus root of a square minus g square divided by 2. So cancel 2. So that is equal to a plus or minus root of a square minus g square, and that is equal to a plus or minus root of a square minus g square. We can write a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. That is equal to a plus g into a minus g. So that is what we want. So we got the solution. What we got? Solution x equal to a plus or minus root of a plus g into a minus b. So actually this x represents the solution of the quadratic equation. Solution means a and b. A and b are the roots or solutions of the quadratic equation. So we got a and b are these. So therefore the numbers are, we have to prove that the numbers, we have taken the numbers as a and b and we got the solution of this quadratic equation as this. Therefore the numbers a and b. This represent the numbers a and b. So one number a plus will be one number a and a minus will be the other number. Therefore the numbers a and b are, therefore we can write, therefore the numbers a and b are a plus, together we can write a plus or minus. In the question also it is given together, are a plus or minus root of a plus g into a minus g. So that is the answer. These are the numbers, a plus or minus root of a plus. So that is the question. Prove that the numbers are that. Okay.